Hey guys, it is me, Dumple Ray 2.0, bringing you my first ever Autobots review of a 1/100 scale kit. And this is the 1/100 scale non-grade Fall Mechanics Gundam Barbatos Lupus from the Iron-Blooded Orphans line. And I gotta say, this is a really awesome kit. Not only do I own a Barbatos Lupus in 1/100 scale, but I also have it in SD scale, and I recently customized and painted a high-grade 1/144 scale Barbatos Lupus, which a custom build video of that will probably be coming sometime within the next couple weekends. I have some other videos that I have planned ahead of that. So, you know, it'll probably be next weekend or sometime within the next couple weeks, like I said. But yeah, let's get into the review of this kit. Now, I do not have one of those turntables, so that's why I turn my kits by hand. So yeah, so right now this is a 360-degree look at this guy. Now this, just like the other Full Mechanics kits, I don't really see a reason why they call it Full Mechanics. It's just the same as the first season non-grade 1/100 scale kits, just with some really amazing surface detail, which I probably will panel line at some point. I did pick up some panel line accent color. This is gray. But I need to pick up some gloss coat before I can do that, because I do not want to use that on bare plastic. Well, yeah, let's get into the articulation. Let's start with the head. Head can look down about that much and look up before popping off about that much. Head can spin all the way around, tilt side to side. Arms, the shoulder armor just popped off. Arms are getting but the arm to move almost all the way around. Shoulder to move individually, and just like the high grade, this can move and pop out and move out. Arm to get up all the way up like that, and swivel up there. Slight double joint in the elbow. I mean, there is a full single joint, but there is just a little bit of an extra bend up in here. And wrist moves like that. Chest can move around like that, and you do have some moving pistons within there, or they're supposed to move. Front skirts move out. Side skirts move but pop off, at least for me, pretty easily. But these can move. That laid sides up like that, bend there, and swivel like that, move out and back, and the foot to move like that and move around like that. I think they can move a little bit more, but I just don't want to mess with it. Now for the accessories. For the weapons, you get its signature sword mace. And this thing is huge. And compare it to the 1/144th scale sword mace. Yeah, this thing dwarfs the high-grade sword mace. And this fits into the hand. There's a little slot inside there. All you have to do is just plug in the peg that's on the handle of the sword mace. And damn it. That did not go out well. What the hell? Okay, there we go. And why the hell is that being loose? Okay, now this is now just wanting to fall apart. What the frying? Okay, that hand for some reason has just gotten loose all of a sudden. Okay, I was having some technical difficulties, and I swear that this thing can hold up the sword mace with no issue. Right now, it's just being a little bit of a punk. So I'm going to take the sword mace out of its hand. I don't know why it's being very difficult to work with. It's probably just because I have it in front of a camera. Yeah, this hand should not be that loose. So yeah, the other weapons that you get with this are the 200mm autocannons. And these can slide back and forth. And can spin all the way around, and they plug up into the arms like so. And these are my favorite weapons for the Barbatos Lupus. I love these autocannons. Now you also get open hands. You're supposed to get two connect.
Who are you talking?
You're supposed to get two of these. I do have two. I just can't seem to find the other one. But these plug into the backpack, and you can hold the sword mace like so, and hold, help stabilize the kit. But this kit isn't back heavy by any chance. And lastly, you get the these mechanical arms. And to put those on, you just pop these off. And I'll just take the whole backpack off without destroying this. Just take that off. Plug in the arms right here. Now, I've never done this before, so I may be doing this whole thing wrong. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that this thruster is supposed to move. Yeah, that moves like that, and I think I might be missing a piece. And then you plug it in like so. I'll just put the backpack off. So yeah, that is it for the 1/100 scale full mechanics Barbatos Lupus. So the articulation of the accessories. This is essentially just a bigger high grade with more details and maybe a few different gimmicks and whatnot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and also I want to apologize for some of the interruptions that I've had in this review, and for this kit being for that hand being a butt. But yeah, that all aside, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next 1/100 scale video, which will be on the grays. So yeah, I am Dumpleray 2.0, signing out.